Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Let's Make Art, and this is Nicole and Ella.
And Uncle Keenan is in the back.
Woo! Hi everyone, you are here for our Let's Make Art Matter for the month of February. I have a special guest here with me. This is Ella Cray, Sarah Cray's little daughter.
Ow.
Oh, sorry, I almost messed you up. And she is here to help me we are making birthday cards, or cards in general, for the Mount Carmel Senior Living Facility. So that's the recipient for the Let's Make Art Matter for the month of February for lettering. And Amy was the one who requested cards. Their facility has older men and women who may not have family members that are around a lot. So she really felt like cards would be able to uplift them in times of their birthday or just when they need a little bit of love. So we wanted to come together as a community and join along to create some cards. And how perfect, because this month is called Love Notes. So you have a lot of different cards that you can make them. So we are also, I want to say that if you have our box, you will get this welcome note inside, and then you will also have a postcard that's pre-addressed, pre-stamped. All you have to do is paint along with us and mail that in. You can also mail, if you've already mailed it, that's great. You can mail something else as well. But we are going to be making some birthday cards, and Ella already got started, which she's giving us so many good ideas. And I'm going to be using 3 colors. Do you want to do the color swatches?
Space blue.
You want to say them?
Space blue, and
Okay.
you say the rest.
Okay.
Because I have no idea what the other colors are.
Okay. Found space blue. This one's tangerine. And this one is fuchsia. So those are the 3 watercolors we're going to be using. And then there are some different, I'm going to turn this into a card.
Oh, good idea.
So I'm not wasting while I'm showing you guys. Oh, that mixed weird. Did you just get really excited?
Yeah, I love this.
To make these into little balloons. So then the pens that I'm going to be using are this one is the Pentel Fude Touch Sign. That's a brush pen. That actually is not even in this box. I'm sorry, that is in that's in the January box. So if you want that pen, that's in the January box. In the February one, you have a Le Pen Flex, which little tongue
Sounds
twister.
hard to say.
Little tongue twister right there. This one is the brush pen. And then you have a navy version of it. And then you also have a Le Pen, but this is a regular one that, maybe I'll write happy on the bottom. This is a regular pen. So you'll notice what I'm writing is that it is all the same thickness. So this one's a brush pen, so you can get thin and thick lines, and this one's a regular pen. So those are the pens that we're going to be, or tools that we're going to be using. Little tongue twister.
You're having tongue twisters everywhere.
I know, I'm struggling.
You want to hear me say tongue twister?
Yeah, go
How
for it.
much would chuck wood?
Whoa, good job. I think you nailed that.
Thank you.
Okay, so the project that we're going to be doing is, like I said, making cards. And there are different ways that you can do this, but I wanted to show one fun way is if you want to mix a few different versions of some colors. Actually, this might want to be in the shot. Is this in the shot?
It's a little low, or it's a little high. There you
Is
go.
that better? Okay. So we can mix up a few different colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up and mix another version of these colors, just so I have some variants to my balloons. What we're going to do is we're going to make a lot of different balloons. Each word or each letter is going to have its own balloon. So I'm going to write out happy birthday. And I'm choosing to do this horizontal, but you can also do it vertical if you'd like. So that way, I'm just going to draw circles and ovals. So when you're using watercolors, if it has too much and it bubbles up like that with the color right there, I think that's really pretty actually. So that's okay if that happens. Ooh, that one's cool. So what I did was I picked up some pinkish orange, but then I had a little bit of the pink on it still. It's H-A-P. And then if you want even, you can pick up some of the fuchsia, add that in. These don't need to
I
be
need a
perfect circles.
paintbrush.
Oh, right there. So I'm gonna write out happy.
Oh, mine's too watery.
That's okay. Oh, that looks cool. It's blending it around.
Nice.
Ella's making
it's
another version. Ooh.
Making it sparkly.
And clean these up a little bit. These got a little misshaped. Okay. And then I'm gonna write out birthday. Ooh, maybe. So I think, Ella, do you think I should do some blue in here? Or too much? What do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect? Okay, I'll do some blue and I'll do some purple. So birthday. So let's pick up some blue. So again, you can mix in the colors. This is a really fun way. This is like, we did the abstract cards together, and that was simply doing circles as well. So that's another fun one if you'd like to do. This is a fun one to bring kids along and making cards for someone to show them some love. This is a whole mix of colors here. Oh, I love, what's her name? Does she have a name?
Yeah.
Who you drew? Wow. B-A-R-T-H, what's her name?
Her name is Lila.
Oh, that's a beautiful name.
I was
like
gonna
that
say
name.
you're loved on the bottom.
Oh, I love that.
Oh.
Okay. I was not concentrating very hard, and I realized B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y.
I forgot how to spell door.
Why?
Oh yeah.
You got
Never
it.
mind.
So I think I'm gonna improvise.
Happy birth.
Birth. I might write day down here.
What if you did a big balloon that just said day?
Oh. What do I do with that?
I don't know.
Hey, you
Watch,
can turn
okay.
it into a big balloon.
Cool thing about watercolors. That's okay. Then you just blend that around. Because I love Keenan's idea. Make a big one. And then I'm going to add in some pop of color. So I'm just making some blooms, letting that do its thing. Okay. Then I realized, though, that needs to dry. So we're going to let that dry.
Why are you bending it?
So that's because I feel like it. No. Because when you're doing watercolors, it might bend and fold up, so I was just bending it out. That will need a few minutes to dry, but if you want to make more, I wanted to tell you that if you're watching is that, like I said, that these are going to the facilities, so they're not just going to one recipient, it's all the members that are there. So another really cool idea is if you take these cards and if you make more, what you can do is you can just take one of your watercolor pieces of paper and cut them into 4. And then you have some envelopes that came with this box. If you put a bunch of them together, and you can leave them blank, that's what the Amy who requested this, if you leave them blank, then they can be written on later on. So I think that's a great idea if you have time, if you have some extra supplies, make a few cards while you're at it. So
It might also be fun to do a wash.
Yeah, I was gonna say we
And
can
if
do
you
a
have
couple.
some like extra stuff from other boxes, like pins, maybe what was your January box? I feel like you had a pen in there that was really cool.
A pen?
Did you? Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I'm also thinking like gold gouache too. You like do gold gouache balloons.
Yes. That would be cool.
What's
Yeah,
a
that would be
gold gouache?
Gouache is another type of medium. It's water activated medium.
I'll learn later.
Yeah, we'll show you. We might have some here.
We'll show you. So another thing that I can just show you really quickly while that's drying is, like Keenan was saying, is doing a cool wash. Have you done this before?
Yeah.
I think it's so fun. Just let it do its thing. I might just have the wash at the top. Oh, okay. Do you want to talk about it? You want to explain it? They can hear you. Okay, Ella's going to show us. No? Okay. So Ella made this beautiful card, if everyone can see that. So, oh, okay, later. She'll explain it to me as well. But I want to showcase this because I absolutely love this. She sat down, I had to get ready. She went for it. She drew, first she used the gold, oh, I forgot we had this. She used the gold, or the copper jelly roll to make the string. And then she was so cute and she made these like bubble letters, which actually, we should teach them how to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to finish this really quick.
Okay. Wow, those are all drying. You guys are just going to learn a lot of things at once.
You'll love it. It's fun.
I agree. Okay, do you want to teach them?
Is there any peach color something?
Yeah, we can make a peach. So that's kind of a peachy. We can add a little bit more yellow if you want. Oh.
I'm making it blend in.
Okay, perfect. That's good. Okay. I love that too. Do you want to show them?
Sure.
Okay. So this is Ella's other card. What was her name?
Lila.
Lila. So she did that. She wrote "You're loved" from Ella. And so so did you use a pen and watercolor? Is that what you did?
Yeah, I just drew with this pen and then I put a little of that in there. And then it blended and it made more pink.
That's perfect. I love it so much.
You need that really.
You were so creative. Okay. Ella wants to show you how she did this bubble lettering. It's balloon lettering, basically.
Yeah.
You want to draw the D?
Yeah.
Which pen were you using? Or do you want the gray? Or do you want the red?
I was using the red for the D.
There you go. Okay, Ella's going to show you how to do it. So she's going to write D. So she drew a line.
Do you want me to show them the shading?
Yeah.
Okay.
She did that all on her own. She drew a line, the circle to make the D, and then to make it look like a balloon, she added another curve, followed along, and then the line that came up. Yes! And then she added some shading and shadow so that the balloon looks like it's floating and it's 3D. Boom.
Nice.
And then, did you use watercolor?
Yeah.
She got some fuchsia with a little bit of the tangerine. Yes. And it's cool because the Le Pen Flex pens are water based. And that's why they also blend with that. Yes. How cool. We should give this to them then. And we can even write happy birth and then D-A-Y.
I'm not going to write birthday. I'm just going to say happy and then day.
Happy day. Happy day.
Oh, happy day.
That's a great idea. Okay.
I don't know that song.
You should learn that song.
We're going to show all our examples here. Okay. Once this is dry, do you want to write on this one? Oh, this one's still a little bit wet. These are all a little bit wet. But what I was going to say is that when you're doing these, I can do the string, is that I love using a mix of the pens. So this is the regular Le Pen Flex, and I'm going to use this to draw my balloon. So when I'm looking at this, as far as the structure of it, you can either have all of the strings coming straight, or if you want the strings to all come to a point right here, that is totally up to you. I think I'm going to choose to have a point right there. So to help me out, actually, where's my pencil? I'm just going to draw a dot. So then, actually I'm going to use, I love how you use the copper jelly roll, so I'm going to use that too. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a line that intersects right there. And then this one I'm going to have go behind that balloon. So it's like the movie Up.
That's what I was thinking.
And you could write stand up.
Stand up. You want me to write that?
You choose, but I don't know how you'll fit stand and up as 2 words.
Yeah, that's true. I think I'm going to try and write.
Stand up tall.
Stand. Stand does fit there. Up and tall does fit there. Do you want me to write that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll write that for you. You can also do that, or you can write happy birthday, or you can write thinking of you, or sending you some love. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write S-T-A-N-D-U-P-T-A-L-L. I might need to figure out how to not make that look like up tall.
Up tall.
Oh, I'll do them in different colors. Okay, so this is basically dry. Now I'm going to, let's see what color. Let's do it all in the copper so it's all cohesive for this one. Let's see. I'm just writing. Can you see that on camera? Oh, this is the pen that's kind of hard to see.
It's kind of hard to see.
Okay, fake out. I'll use, let's see.
You could use gold paint if you have some.
Don't have any at the moment. I'm trying to think if I should use, oh, you're using the red. Okay, I'll use the blue then.
Here, I'm all done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's the light.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So I'm just writing, oh, that's interesting.
Ooh.
Oh, that works. I'm writing on top of the gel pen. But I'm just writing a letter in each balloon. Stand. You said stand up tall?
Yeah.
Okay. Stand. And then I'm going to write, can I switch to you one more time? Sorry. Up. So you can decide, these are just simple lettering that I'm doing. I'm not taking it too fancy. Stand up. I'm going to do this in the, yeah. No. Fake out again. Can I see that one? Oh, I'm sorry. I keep switching on you. Stand up tall. Okay.
Hey, watch this.
You gonna teach me something?
You can do a little mark there to
Okay.
just know that they're separate words.
Do what kind of mark? You tell me. Oh, like a dash?
Yeah.
I don't know if that will. Yeah, we can do it.
Let's see.
Do it.
Here.
Oh, do it right there, actually. It's okay. It's okay. That's just another balloon. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. So, oh, can I see that one more time? I want to draw a bow to finish that off.
It could be a ribbon instead of a bow.
How do you draw a ribbon? Oh, look at that. You're great. Okay, that is all of the different options that you guys have. I also have this one that I'm going to finish up since that was my swatches. I'm going to write happy birthday. And then this was the other one. This actually turned out really cool.
Yeah,
I feel like Alexis will love that.
That wash is awesome.
So this one was the space blue mixed with just a little bit of fuchsia, and then I didn't do it all the way.
Hey, you
Yeah.
can make it like a geode half.
Yes, I love that. So maybe I'll write the note that I write on this line.
Yeah, but you have to draw a line because you know it's like a rock
Oh,
outside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that they know that.
But
Okay.
you could just like do the line half, and then you could do the message inside the rock thing.
So do 2 lines and then like a river and then draw inside of it? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. So as you guys saw, there's so many different examples of cards you can make. You can have fun. If you're not a part of our subscription box, I realized I wanted to say you can still join along with us. Email our customer service team at hello@letsmakeart and we will send you their address to mail these cards off. Thank you so much for being here with us for Let's Make Art Matter, and we hope you have a great week.
Bye.